In this video, I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways to write comments in JavaScript, simple and easy. So in my previous video, I showed you guys how to do same on MySQL, Python, HTML, and this is for JavaScript. So for a single line, all we are going to do is we are going to use a forward slash. Good, something like this, and then we paste our comment here. Good, so this is a single line comment. Let me copy this. Good. So now let's say we want to write multiple line or multi-line. What we are going to do is a forward slash, just like on SQL, and then your hash, which is I think 8. Good. So you have something like this. After that, you enter your comment there. You can come down, enter your comment, come down and enter your comment once again. So to close it, you start with the hash again and then your forward slash. That's it on how you write multi-line and also a double line comment in JavaScript. If you are new here, give me a like. Subscribe to my channel. Just like I said, you can check how to write comments in other languages like Python, MySQL, and also for HTML and then CSS on the channel. That's it once again. Peace.